Welcome to NCERT Academy, 8th grade mathematics. Assalamu alaikum. Ye chhe ashe godnuk unit. Askaro start godnuk unit rationalization side. Rationalization is much exercise 8th grade is. Before askaro start exercise 1.1 rationalization. Time brought the introduction. Tasan petmis classes must permit real numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Yemis nu yaad asan, kais asan yaad, kais asan nu yaad. Yemis nu yaad asan, tihin khatar karwa agli be repeat. Ke real numbers kya asan, rational numbers kya asan. To bidim tamich little bit introduction. First of all, kya real numbers. Real numbers kam number asan. Real numbers tim numbers asan. Tamam number equatai. चाहे सो माइनस ऐसन चाहे प्लस ऐसन चाहे रेशनल नंबर ऐसन चाहे सर्ड ऐसन क्या नंबर ऐसन तच वन रियल नंबर्स फॉर एग्जांपल विद द एग्जांपल दैमिच जस्ट लाइक 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3 0 te √2 √5 yeah 3/6 7/9, yeah, 0.5, yeah, 8.6. These just very real numbers. Back number set as that is one natural numbers. Natural numbers ko numbers asan. Natural numbers. Natural numbers tim numbers asan. Yos natural counting asan as. Misal is cash divan, is cheese divan, number on matlab brim to hai 10 rupiye, 4 rupiye, 5 rupiye. Asna hekan say divan se negative 5 rupiye, minus 5 rupiye, minus 6 rupiye. Na chis divan 0 rupiye. So we can say ke natural number tim number even straightforward is counting hekan ke even which hekan count hekan ke 1 pet you start 1 2 3 4 up to infinity. Only positive numbers. Only positive numbers. Back set of number in hun chase, trim set your chase number in hun, that is a whole number. Whole numbers. Whole numbers tim numbers asan yimsan sari national numbers asan cha magar yaman switches add karan 0 te. मतलब यम किसान 0 पे start 0 1 2 3 4 ये चुकासान up to infinity पच्चीस त्रेम set as number इन हंदासान ताचेस वनान integers integers कम number शासन यमजन सारी whole number शासन but that's add kara minus well number the yani ki asrako -2 like this -2 -1 0 1 2 3 you should go up to count up to you get again up to infinity magar yapar tu shasan ye count gasan you yapar dasa up to infinity magar yachuna is minus infinity yachuna is plus infinity so the number of set shasan as decimal numbers. Decimal numbers should I pai sarni shasan like 0.1, 0.4, yeah 8.1 as, yeah 5.6 as. Yim chesari yimans point yimans bag ya decimal yimans bag aman chesari wanan decimal number. Back set us number in the issue is an lesson issue now which is wanan rational numbers. Rational numbers tim numbers asan yimzan asan in the form of P over Q. Yani ki what is P, what is Q? P over Q. Using P choice using yet line petkin number atsesmanan numerator. Numerator. Using ये Monacan number shasa atsmanan denominator. Go ये why mathematically कितने चेसिम number लिखा? Suppose अच्छे 4 over 9 या 3 upon 2 या 4 over 6 या 4 over 3 thousand या 5 upon 7 ये तो number है कि बने इनसे सारी आसान rational numbers. Back number in set is in its last set irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers come numbers irrational numbers tim numbers human definite value can you value infinite. Suppose x you variable definite athak waqt is 2 3 4 5 kenti value is this so you should indefinite value what gasan is irrational number beak e yemizan as higher mathematics thoda bahut pai as wushmut bajar kitaban maz tuman e ti likhit you chak mathematical constant achu constant value it can pi choice asan pi is constant value it can e atti pan value so it can choice pi each irrational number या सर्स लिखा अंडर रूट 2 अत कांस्टेंट वैल्यू बड़ा रोजान अंडर रूट 3 या माइनस अंडर रूट 2 यम सारी इरेशनल नंबर सर्स या यम वैल्यूज पाई या वेरिएबल एक्स या ई वैल्यू यम गई सारी इरेशनल नंबर्स ब्या प्रॉपर्टी वन कुछ मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन वन क्लोजर कि क्लोजर क्या व्हाट इज क्लोजर व्हाट is closure. Yem use this karo mathematical operation as gis milun same set. Matlab don set an agar is mathematical operation karo. Suppose as set 5 each has a whole number w and that whole numbers. At sit karba add 7 each whole number. Right? Whole number. Answer kya miles 5 plus 7 12. But 12 is also a whole number. So I score a mathematical operation addition plus the I score a whole number add big is whole number is it m do say वापस whole number that means अच्छु closure ठीक है वहाँ जा करो वैसे इतने ये मैं इस number निमक 5 minus 7 मेली आपके मेले answer -2 मगर -2 much whole number 5 each whole number magar huchun whole number ke each integer each yours whole number means kuni viz hai ki mere tase answer at minuses mas magar not necessarily matlab suppose is karo 5 minus 2 I think it has 3 means whole number minus whole number as being whole number, but not always. So a second with minuses na session melan closure ke only pluses shumela closure means addition has closure, but subtraction ya minus does not have closure. So if I can agar closure which multiply and division is tat maz te wichan we images multiply karan suppose karan 5 multiply 2 m do this you must whole number m do this 10 you go closure या is karo 20 multiply 3 HML 60 again closure. Now suppose is karo 5 divided by 2. You must whole number दशवाई अस मिले 5/2 अस मिल और रैशनल नंबर 5/2 अस करो होल नंबर ये तो होल नंबर ये तो होल नंबर मगर यमो दित आंसर अस यह रैशनल नंबर सो मल्टीप्लाई आसान क्लोजर डिविजन क्लोजर आसान कहें वन अम पत करो प्रॉपर्टीज ठीक है करो रैशनल नंबर्स हज प्रॉपर्टी गो हाव बह तुम मतलब कम 3 प्रॉपर्टीज तो याद थवनी बे तथ सह एडिशन 1-2 प्रॉपर्टीज तम थो तुम याद तुम गो मास्टर ये रैशनल नंबर्स मज प्रॉपर्टीज तो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी वन कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी सपोज अजन नंबर 2 नंबर a प्लस b यह आसान अगर रिवर्स करो यम नंबर b प्लस as इक्वल करो एग्जाम्पल सपोज 7 प्लस 2 ठीक है यप क्या लिखो 2 प्लस 7 क्या b वैल्यू 2 as वैल्यू 7 यप आंसर 9 यपर आंसर मीन्स इट इज ट्रू अम मतलब गो एडिशन इज कम्यूटेटिव लिखो ब्रैकेट्स में एडिशन इज कम्यूटेटिव राइट फॉर whole numbers as you must whole number suppose actual rational number 2 upon 7 plus 4 upon 7 according to commutative you get equal to 4 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7 agar yam equal chasan agar yam dashway side on equal that means addition is commutative in rational numbers also let's see so yemis an LCM as tagan kadun temis mele pai ki issue 7 denominators mas agar to pai shay kit kina 7 to hechu ye bronkun yemis is karab addition of rationalization numbers rational numbers or subtraction temis de hechu te magar ye the the LCM even 7 and common numbers asan denominator as nima common number 7 denominator that can direct is lekhan numbers 2 plus 4 ya per kya mele ya per tishu 7 denominator या पर 4 plus 2 तो ये तो या पर तो मिलिए 6 over 7 ये तो equal to 6 over 7 that means addition is commutative for rational numbers ठीक है what about subtraction क्या subtraction क्या commutative first which has addition now which is subtraction subtraction is suppose I choose a number a minus b क्या ये equal to b minus as suppose I say such a number 7 minus 2 क्या ये equal to 2 minus 7 7 minus 2 is 5 या पर 1 minus 5 यम equal यम equal कहीं that means subtraction is not commutative on whole numbers for whole numbers so subtraction is not commutative for whole numbers. It is true for integers also, it's true for other numbers. But what about rational numbers? Let's know 2 rational numbers. Suppose let's know when number 8 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5 is it equal to 6 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5 अगर इस पूछो इच्छा इक्वल कि ना या कोई नहीं ऐसा आंसर common denominator is 5, 8 minus 6. Yapır neresi? Common denominator 5, 6 minus 8. Yatmeli answer yapır neresi? 2 over 5. Yapır मेरे answer minus 2 over 5. So it should not be equal to k. That means subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. I score addition, I score subtraction. One which is multiply shay applicable kinin na. Suppose I choose a number a multiply b, each equal to asan b multiply a. Let's go experiment here. Suppose 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. It is 6 and it is 6. Yes, it is true. Similarly, agar is which you choose rational numbers and mas yim chap on when multiplication cha commutative kinna. The let's go suppose it's minus 7 by 3, which is a negative rational number. Multiply 2 upon 5. You guys also equal to 2 upon 5 times minus 7 upon 3. 7 gets multiplied to us, numerator hamish gets multiplied numerator sit, denominator hamish gets multiplied denominator sit. 7 times 2 is 14, but minus 3 times 5 is 15. What was your answer? Yath side is B. The taking it left hand side or multiply, taking yath side is 2 gets multiply 7 is 5 gets multiply 3 is it. I nearly the answer minus 14 over 15. Yimchipan equal. So what can I statement multiplies? So multiplication is commutative. As if no multiplication is commutative for both whole numbers and rational numbers. I'm going to show us division. Kya commutative property cha applicable division is. Suppose I should the number 4 divided by 2 cha equal to 2 divided by 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 2 divided by 4 is 1 upon 2. Ibchen equal kihin. Ya पर अगर इस rational number nimok, suppose nimok to rational number. Suppose when nimok is rational number. Suppose a rational number which may 7 by 7 over 2, atkar by divide 4 by 3 seed. You get near and equal to 4 over 3 divided by 7 over 2. Yem agar equal asan tel chhe property applicable. Agar nahi yem equal asan tel chhe property applicable. Yath made 7 by 2 multiply 3 over 4. Ye bani reciprocal. Ye me just division karo change to multiply. Then yapper yem side kya made 4 over 3 times 7 by 2 was reciprocal 2 by 7. Reverse denominator should be numerator, numerator should be denominator. Yath karo yath sit multiply, yath karo yath sit multiply. Similarly, yath karo yath sit multiply, yath karo yath sit multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 4 is 8. Yath 4 times 2 is 8. Yath 7 times 3 is 21. Yim totally yim equal one kihine. That means that division is not commutative for whole numbers and rational numbers. So, in a nutshell, what is commutative property? Commutative property. Atmaz godnuk kores addition, dayim kores subtraction, treyim kores multiplication, beak kores division. We found addition is commutative for rational numbers and for whole numbers. Multiplication is also commutative for whole numbers and rational numbers. Subtraction shouldn't commutative kiye, not just whole numbers, not just rational numbers. Division tishune kihin. Yilako table hun chata thaun yaad. Kaita chu yigathan, kaita chune gathan kihin. Ish summary aati. As which one coordinate property rational numbers is use on whole number this apply gasan. One choose the property associative property. Achwana associativity the. Ikachi wide a simple property. Suppose as an number number A plus B plus C. Yimchitra number kya yimcha equal to asan B A plus B plus C. मगर याचे थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस ये कि अगर इस या पर A plus B plus C अलग निमोन या पर निमोन इस A plus B अलग means गॉड से बोर्ड में से मुझे अप्लाई करा हुआ गॉड से ऐसे करनी ब्रैकेट सॉल्व अब मतलब गो सपोज ऐसे सच नंबर 2 plus 5 plus 6 क्या इच्छा इक्वल टू 2 plus 5 plus 6. Agar im dashwen nearan equal, that means addition is associative for whole numbers. Agar im equal nearan, time matlab go, addition is associative for whole numbers. Pat which was rational numbers and must chai apply gasan. In short, use the number yes property apply gets whole numbers and must such a gasan apply rational numbers and must. Suppose you get 2, 5 plus 6 kuta go, you go 11. या फिर करो 2 plus 5 got a bracket go 7 इतना वन इस ब्रैकेट में मगर प्लस चुस 6 वन करो किम ऐड 11 plus 2 go 13 7 plus 6 ये 13 that means addition is associative for whole numbers. One which was rational numbers was. Agar इस example निमो rational numbers है इसने वो simple example. अगर ये simple example apply शुगर सान तेल कैसी complicated example अंते apply. बिनिम simple number ये number 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5 plus 5 over 6. तो याद कर भी ये bracket ये मन दोन मतलब योज B to C क्या इच्छा इक्वल टू 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5 यम निमो ब्रैकेट्स मंस तो नेबर थवन 5 over 6 अगर यम इक्वल टू आसन दैट मीन्स एडिशन इज एसोसिएटिव फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स गॉड करो इस ब्रैकेट सॉल्व 2 over 3 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड गॉड प्लस इच by 5 and 6 to LCM 30 18 plus 25 कितकन ये छुतु ये कितकन LCM करान और इस कितकन फ्रैक्शन ऐड करान या रैशनल नंबर यमन इस फ्रैक्शन इस वनान यमन कितकन ऐड करान ये 9 ब्रोंकुन यम जिस क्वेश्चंस करो ये इक्वल टू या पर करो या नेरी LCM 3 and 5 LCM is 15. Operation just simply you just बनाओ 15 याद करो multiply 5 याद करो multiply 5 ये 15 बनाओ याद करो multiply 3 याद करो multiply 3 तो 15 को common ये तो ये 2 5 10 plus 9 ये थोवन ब्रैकेट्स में plus 5 over 6 वन यम करें सॉल्व 2 over 3 plus 18 plus 25 कोता गो 3 and 4 43 over 30 ये पर nearly 19 over 15 plus 5 over 6 यमन 3 30 LCM 30 तो ये बनावन 30 कितन बनावन 30 ये बनावन टाइम्स 10 ये बन कन करो टाइम्स 10 हेर कन करो टाइम्स 10 ये ऑलरेडी 30 बन कन अत जरूरत कर तो ये बनो 2 times 10 गो 20 plus 43 ये 15 and 6 अत के LCM अगर तुम 15 and 6 करो LCM 15 तो 6 LCM क्या नहीं रहा 3 times 5 3 times 2 means 30 ची यात LCM means 3 times 5 times 2 ये 30 यात ये अश बनावन ये डिनोमिनेटर 30 ये बनावन डिनोमिनेटर 30 ये कितन बन 15 times 2 पेट कन करोस मल्टीप्लाई 2 अत करो 6 times 5 times 5 19 times 2 38 plus 25 यात 20 plus 43 is 63 over 30 यात क्या यात बनान 3 and 6 over 30 तो तुरमुत फिक्री यात क्या सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म यात 21 over 10 यात अगर कटो ये 21 over 10 that means addition is associative for rational numbers also. Ashkor addition मज वो वुचो यह applicable subtraction मज second part निमो subtraction second subtraction subtraction मज क्या suppose बह निम डायरेक्ट ये numbers तम पाने फिक्र suppose a minus b minus c यह equal to a minus b minus c अगर यम जो निमो गड करोक माइनस ये करोक यम जो माइनस यम इक्वल टू कि ना निमो सिंपल नंबर 4 minus 2 minus 7 यह इक्वल टू 4 minus 2 minus 7 4 minus 2 गई 2 minus 7 minus 5 शत आंसर 4 minus 2 minus 7 कोता गो minus 5 minus minus गसी plus ये 9 बराबर that means your operation छुना applicable subtraction is not associative for rational numbers वन कोर ना rational number क्या अगर इस rational number ते निमो suppose इस निमो rational number 2/3 minus 4/5 minus 1/2 क्या ये इक्वल टू कत नंबर्स 2/3 minus 4/5 bracket minus 1/2 अगर तो इतकन एडिशन को सॉल्व अगर इथे कन करो ये सॉल्व अत नेरान आंसर 11 over 30 यात नेरान आंसर minus 19 over 30 यम इक्वल टू क्या so that means subtraction is not associative subtraction is not associative for whole numbers, whole and rational numbers. Next, which was multiplication to division. Third most multiplication. Suppose I should number A multiply B multiply C. You get also A multiply B multiply C. Yet karo god yimz is multiply. Yet karo is yimz multiply B to C. God karo is bracket solve. Suppose is the most example of simple example name is 2 times 4 times 3. 2 times 4 times 3. Yimz karo god is multiply. Ya pair karo 2 times 4 times 3. Bracket karo solve alag. 2 times 4 gay 8. It one bracket smas multiply 3. 2 goes it never thousand. Yet karo is bracket multiply 4 times 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 8 times 3 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. I should go you prove whole numbers and whole numbers much multiplication associative. The one karo is rational numbers and much karo is no like 2 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 2 multiply 3 upon 5. Yet equal to 2 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 2 multiply 3 upon 5. Karo God next number is multiply. God karo is separate bracket solve 2 upon 3 thamon nabri multiply yathi 3 upon 10. 1 go multiply 3 asi, 2 go multiply 5 asi. Yap karo is God bracket solve 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 times 2 is 6. 3 upon 5. Now once you current 2 to 3 multiply, so go 6, 3 to 10 multiply, so go 30. Yap 2 to 3 is 6, 6 to 5, 30. In equal agres broncunis yathis kershir put pananchi kasar wale, escoronia 6 times 1, 6 times 5. 6 times 1, 6 times 5. Yathishniran answer 1 upon 5. Yathishniran 1 over 5. So we can say multiplication is associative. Multiplication is associative for whole numbers and rational numbers. Once as last property amic within situation division. Is which how associative property cha applicable divisions kinina. Each simple. Suppose ashitra number is like 2 divided by 4 divided by 6. You guys also equal to 2 divided by 4 divided by 6. Yetne more case yms. Now bracket go got solve karun. Each 2 divided by 4 divided by 6. 4 divided by 6 Shubhanan 2 over 3. 2 divided by 4 Shubhanan 1 over 2 divided by 6. Then ये just divide करो ये बने 2 divide Shubhanan multiply याद बने reciprocal 2 over 3 बने 3 over 2. Similarly 1 over 2 divided by multiply ये बने 1 over 6. 2 times 3 6 upon 2 ये बनी 1/12 यथ अगर फैक्टर्स कड़ो ये 2 times 3 2 times 1 तो ये बनी 3 ये बनो 1/12 सो डिविजनस मज एप्लीकेबल ये कह सो हको वन डिविजन इज नॉट एसोसिएटिव फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स अगर तुम रैशनल नंबर्स इन केस ऑफ होल नंबर्स अगर यहज जाए रैशनल नंबर तमो तम त एप्लीकेबल कहें लेट्स निमो फॉर एग्जाम्पल निमो सपोज निमो नंबर 1/2 डिवाइडेड बाय ब्रैकेट थो ये -1/3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2/5 ये गसन इक्वल टू 1/2 divided by -1/3 इम गई इकवटाई divided by 2/5 करो गो सॉल्व लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अत निमो 1/2 divided by solve the bracket first 1/3 but negative ये बनाओ times यानी कि multiply याद बनी 2/5 बनी reciprocal 5/2 right hand side same technique 1/2 divide by multiply -1/3 बने 3/1 but minus रोज ऐती -3/1 divide रोज नेबर करो as it is 2/5 what करो इस bracket solve 1/2 divided by 1 times 5 is 5 minus times plus 5 means -5 3 times 2 is 6 same way right hand side 1 times -3 is -3 divided by 2 times 1 is 2 divided by 2/5 same way divide we have to change it into multiply 1/2 multiply -6/5 right hand side -3/2 multiply 5/2 1 times 6 is 6 but there is a plus and minus sign so plus sign times minus sign is minus sign it will become -6/5 times 2 is 10 this side 5 times 3 is 15 but there will be a negative sign with it -15/2 times 2 is 4 so you can see left hand side हमें निकलता है 6/10 right hand side -15/4 even if we will just solve this 6/10 like with the table 2 times 3 2 times 5 so our answer here is -3/5 this is -15/4 so these are not equal so what we can say division is not associative division is not associative for whole numbers and rational numbers. Yos trim property वन distributivity of multiplication or addition and subtraction इन जुई property तुम वुन कित multiply करान addition पे subtraction पे यह पत्म दोन property हंद पे यह लिटिल बिट थोड़ा मुख्तलिफ बट तमो दों खुद ज़्यादा easy करो गोडनुक addition एडिशनस मज क्या गसान सपोज जो नंबर कर मल्टीप्लाई यह नंबर दोन नंबरन सत मतलब b प्लस c यह हेकान इत कन लिखित यह हेकान लिखित a टाइम्स b मीन्स यह जन यह a यह गसान मल्टीप्लाई यथ b सत पत यह a गसान मल्टीप्लाई C S it. But in between, even multiplication should rosan plus AB. God karo A multiply B S it. B karo A multiply C S it. Mans bag tho plus B A multiply C. Yim chasan hamish equal. Achwana distributivity of multiplication over addition. Suppose I should number of yedith. I throw number. Suppose it should 5 multiply 7 plus 2. Agar I karo multiply yatsit email you get equal to 5 times 7 plus 5 times 2. Yim this side gets equal. You get camele karo go 7 to 2 add pat karo 5 asit multiply 7 to 2 add kare 9 5 9 45. Now whichever same side 5 times 7 35. 5 times 2 10. 10 plus 35 45. So you should prove gasan left hand side draw right hand side asit. Agar I distributivity as karin is heko it connect kirit. Achwana at operation chwana expansion the using this side yachwana factorized side yachwana expansion side. The magarim chu dashni result chuneran dashwini kuni. One which was minuses much high applicable gasan na. Second, subtraction. Is example be suppose I should A multiply B minus C equal to A karton multiply BSC AB minus AC. ठीक है आज क्या score A multiply BSC path हुई minus मांसबाग path कर A यू है A multiply CSC. When you move number problem at is karo 5 times we can karo 7 minus 2. You get equal to 5 into 7 minus 5 into 2. 5 times 7 minus 2 go 5. 5 times 7 35 minus 10. 5 and 5 is 25. Each equal to 35 minus 10 25. यह property अगर तो rational numbers में मज़े apply करियो in area same for rational numbers. Rational numbers में क्या लिखो इस नो example 2 over 3 you can multiply by 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6. तो है कि एडिशन में से ट्राई करे पानी का एग्जांपल बनावित स्वाति नेर करेक्ट बुच हम माइनस में तो है कि प्लस में दे करे ये गछ नेरन 2 upon 3 times 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 times 5 upon 6 means as क्या कर as कर ये कर याद सित्ते multiply ये कर याद सित्ते multiply मांस बाग थोड़ी minus sign या करो इस गुणती bracket solve इस लिखो 2 upon 3 multiply कर तो bracket solve यातने LCM 6 common ये चुप बनाऊं 6 यात को multiply 2 ये चुप बनाऊं 6 यात को multiply 2 2 ये तो बन कन करियो तो छेर कन तो करूं दशमनी को denominator में 6 6 तो पैट कन ये यात 4 minus 5 याद go 2 times 2 4 3 times 3 go 9 minus 2 times 5 10 divided by 18 करो ये 2 times 2 by 3 times 4 minus 5 is minus 1 divided by 6 Yap where should 9 and 18 is LCM because 18 is 9 karan divide so 18 here LCM one catch ashi 9 banaun 18 yad go 2 multiply here 2 multiply here तो yat near ashi a yat near ashi 8 minus 10 2 times 1 is 2 but minus sign 3 times 6 is 18 equals 8 minus 10 is minus 2 over 18. When agar simplify karo 2 1s are 2 9s are yeti karo 2 1s are 2 9s are imch same neran toite ich neran 1 over 9 negative is equal to negative 1 upon 9. That's one distributivity of multiplication over addition and subtraction. When you can three properties, occurs commutative property, the associative property, the distributivity. Yim three property carries main three properties rational numbers. Yim which I say minuses, pluses, multiplications, divisions, one which was four lecture properties. Imchin wire by came to a line property. Imchito Kamni yard. Zero role catchasan. Role of zero. It is basically sodium property. Role of zero. Suppose I should count number. I should whole number. Whole number. Atkaro is add zero. At kya answer. Kunti numbers karo plus is zero. At near sui whole number answer. That means whole number means 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Similarly, agar I say negative number means integer minus 3. Askaro is plus 0. Answer can it minus 3. Agar I say rational number I say 2 upon 3. Askaro is add 0. Answer merely 2 upon 3. So that means each 0 is called identity for addition. Of whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Punchim property chase role of 1. Role of 1 क्या चाहसान? कुंते numbers चाहे सो whole number आसे चाहे सो rational number आसे चाहे सो integer आसे अथकरो इस multiply 1 answer चुनिया रन सोई number. Suppose निमो 1 times 4 is equal to 4. As now 2 over 3 times 1 answer should 2 upon. Suppose one number is integer minus 5 times 1 answer should minus 5. Means answer should sunira magar ashi that kara multiply utam is kara ambro team 0 is 0 is roll of 0 time is plus or minus 0. Yet it is multiply, but remember division hakon 0 should in undefined number. But role of 1 is must catch asan. If 1 is called multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity for rational numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Yes, put some Lakard property. The oxys shame Lakard property reciprocals. Reciprocals. Can't number Tamik reverse Chosan reciprocal. Suppose I should number A. I'm reciprocal because Achasan A is Chasan under hidden 1. Aggress number is Achasan hidden 1. So hidden 1 Chukasan Bana numerator like this 1 upon A. Similarly, aggress number 3 I should hidden 1. Usually Lakanch Kihin normal numbers. Add bani reciprocal 1/3. Suppose nimo ma rational number 4/7. Amik reciprocal kya ase? 7/4. Suppose I should 2/3. Amik reciprocal kya ase? 3/2. Byak property chasan ase negative of the number. Yos shayum. Setim che last. Negative of the number. Negative of the number go. Suppose assumption number asan a. At karo multiply. Amik negative chasan. Amik negative kya chu? -a. Agar is a plus -a karo. मतलब at karo add pan ये negative number. Answer हमेशा 0. Means this plus a and minus a chu pan wen sanan. Ichu bana 0. For example, actually 5. Amik negative number chu -5. Suppose 5 plus karawa sat -5. So suneri equal to 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Any number added with its negative number is equal to 0. Ishi to thamni property yaad. Kahte number at karo is plus. Pani negative number sit. Answer shu hamish melan 0. Asid go to ye lesson complete. Introduction lesson go complete. Introduction go complete. Yes, why does this introduction, but it was important. The askaro ampatwan inshallah nevis lectures must karo is exercise 1.1 question start askaro sari question solve. Ampachutay number line karing such a shayad exercise 2. The smaklawa rationalization number. While agni time ke kya case introduction long. Ye roz introduction tay lifelong mind smaz ki matlab kitken chis operation karaiman number rational numbers and me honu ta khali rational number yot kya yatha yiman yatha introduction so me hota normal number te matlab whole number te kitken ch karana is yim properties kitken ch apply gasan normal whole numbers ante ya integers ante me basan is karo one year class yet pet end the inshallah boostay inshallah nevis videos mus karo be mulaqat the umeed che ta video pasand यम जन मे यम नोट लिख अगर तो यम नोट गछन मतलब यम जन एग्जैक्ट नोट छ यम थब अद बनाव ब पीडीएफ ये त्रब अमिच डाउनलोड लिंक आस डिस्क्रिप्शन हुस तो हेकि यम नोट्स डाउनलोड त करित तो पानस यूज त करित पथ हेकि तो प्रिंट त दिथिमन सिंपल नोट यम नी पे प्रैक्टिस त करित अमिच डाउनलोड लिंक आस डिस्क्रिप्शन मज यम नोट्स त्रब गूगल ड्राइव में सेम टू सेम ये लेखान छ सेत ये मेले तो गूगल ड्राइव मज